Hello everyone, it's me Kokab Manzoor. Today I want to talk to you about a topic that most of the people are scared of when they don't want to talk about it, and they think that it is something very bad or all the negative words are associated with it. The topic is failure. And you see, as you heard the word failure, so you might be thinking something negative like penalties or punishment or sorrow or sadness or something, some losses, etc. But actually, it's not. It's not. It cannot be defined in a way because failures are not meant to put us down. Rather, they are meant to put us to push us upward. But the question is why we think failure as something bad. There's a reason behind it, because right from very childhood we are being taught that by our teachers, by our parents and all the people around us, that they teach us that failure is negative, failure is bad, you don't go for failure. Like when the parents are admitting their child in school, so they tell them that you have to get A grade or A plus, and if by any chance you got failed, you are being punished. They punish you, they scold you, your teachers scold you, your classmates, your fellows, and all the people around you, they are condemning you and your performance. So and then when we grow up and the same things happen, keep going on, and when you are in your professional life, and if you fail to achieve your target, your boss, your managers, your immediate bosses, they scold you and they give you the warnings. If you don't make your target, so this will do this, and you may lose a job, etc. So these are the reasons that why we think failure is bad. But let's see how the successful people, the intelligence, the genius, all the genius who ever walk on the earth, how they took failure. They also come across failures number of times in their life, but they never think failure as the stumbling block. Whenever they experience the failure, they learn from it, and they learn that what works and what doesn't work, and they think failure as step towards the success. So they don't think as an obstacle, rather they think they took it as a step towards the success. Like the great scientist, the Edison, the great scientist of the previous century, somebody asked from him that you failed 999 times while making a bulb. He said, no, I didn't fail. There are 999 steps for making bulb. So you see, if he had stopped at the very first failed experiment, we would never have the bulb. But he going on, and he illuminated the entire world. So if we think failure as something negative, so we will also be stuck like that. You see, let's take another example. When a baby starts walking, he or she can never make it at a first attempt. Whenever he starts walking, and whenever he become able to walk, between that period of time he failed thousands of times. He's gonna hurt himself or herself, and the parents are gonna hurt himself, right? But they never stop him. Rather they encourage him. But not a single parent say that, oh, when you for the first time when a baby stand up and then he fell down, so never say that, no, we are not going to give another chance because you're going to hurt himself, so we will keep you in our laps. No, rather than encourage him. So failure is a step towards a success. It's not something bad. So what we are supposed to do, we need to learn. Somebody put very wisely and that failure, if he said that if you want success, double the rate of failure. Wow, amazing. Isn't it amazing that if you want success, double the rate of failure? I mean, the more you fail, the more you learn. The more you learn what works and what doesn't work, and what works you can go with that, and what doesn't work you try to avoid it. And this is how all the inventions and all the things came into existence, and all the success comes. So success always comes after failure. So this is my message to all of you, that don't get scared of it. And if you fail in any walk of your life, experience it, learn from it, and then finally it will lead to the success. Thank you very much. If you like my video, put the like button down, and please leave comments. Your comments are very valuable to me. Thank you very much.